Elise and Sharon, what are you a mother of?
What am I a mother of?
Uh-huh.
I mean, the way I am, or what my kids
I
are
mean,
like?
You can say, I'm a mother of understanding because, di ba, you are very understanding of your kids, di ba?
I am a mother of patience, understanding, and I love my kids very much. I'm crazy about my kids, but I'm also sensitive. So, kasi parang yung mga pinakamamahal mo pag medyo may nasabi o nagawang nakakasakit. Yun. Pero I'm blessed. You know, my kids I have great kids.
Sarap sabihin ng isang magulang, I'm blessed with the best kids, Nay.
Hindi niya ma-crazy mother. Hindi, seryoso yun. Kasi pag nanay ka, lahat ng klaseng emosyon mararamdaman mo. Lahat ng klaseng, para ka ring artista pag nagsisermon ka. So yung sermon mo, indifferent may masaya ka, may galit ka, may nagmamakaawa ka, pero so parang may patumbling kang nagsisermon. You're just to be able to get to them. And you know, my children now, when we talk about it, nagtatawanan sila, yung pinagtatawanan nila ako. Kasi, totoo yun I'm a crazy mother, I have to admit that. Kasi all emotions, lahat klase. And because I am a single parent, I really don't have the time to bullshit. Diba? So, para sa akin, when I have to say something, if we need to talk about something, whether it be boys, whether it be sex, whether it be, huwag na tayo maglokohan, wala akong time. So, sinasabi ko lang sa inyo ng diretso. Totoo yun, di ba? Diretso. Kasi pag hindi mo diniretso, hindi kayo magkakaintindihan. Better kung sabihin mo na ng diretso. Yung sila yung nasa-shock, oh my God, Mom. Gaganon sila. Oh my God, Mom. Please, no. Sabi ko, please, yes.
Ako inaano ko lang lagi honesty, di ba? I appreciate honesty. So I may jump up and down when I hear something, but I will never ever judge you. I will love you unconditionally. But you lied to me. I don't like lying. That's the one thing I cannot stand. But I don't demand what I cannot give in. So I'm straight with you. Please be straight with me, respectfully. But you know, you respect me, I respect you. Don't play games with me. But they can tell me anything, same as Jenny's. Busy nga kami.
This is why I love going to work also. Can I just say? Kasi, I mean, ang dami mong matututunan. Even like motherhood, life in general. Eto na, nakikita nyo kung paano, kung ano yung nakukuhang inputs from each one of the people in the show. And it's sobrang saya. Anyways,
sorry, si Elise pareho ko yan. Pareho kami birthday.
Yes! January 6. Capricorn. Anyways, I think for me I think it's too early for me to tell.
Joy.
Yes, so I'm just excited for what's to come. Hearing stories from other moms as well, from my own mom, from the moms that I work with. Parang exciting kasi nga sabi nila nakakabaliw, di ba? Exciting naman yun. And I'm just really looking forward to it. Right now, siguro masasabi ko, I'm a mother of love. Kasi ngayon, yun ang binibigay ko sa kanya as much as I can.
One last question.
Isa
na lang. Ayaw mo ba, Richard?
No. You're good.
Sharon and Janice, you were once a single mother, di ba? At what point were you more of a mother? And at what point were you more of a father?
All the time. When we had to be mother and father. Ako, when I had to be both mom and dad to Casey, nasa akin siya So parang, ang hirap talaga pala. Kasi may roles na talagang dapat sa ama, may roles na talagang dapat sa ina. So ang hirap talaga na mag-isa. I sympathize with all single parents out there, both moms and dads. It's not easy talaga being both to your child, and it's not always possible to be both. You just do your best. Pero all the time, 100%. You try to, you'll never replace the father. Pero just do your best na lang to fulfill some of the duties na para kayong choice kasi kayo lang.
I think for most of my life, I'm always a mother and a father at the same time. You know, their fathers are there, pero on a daily basis, I am a mom and a dad at the same time. It's really not easy. It's really not easy kasi may mga bagay ka na, like I said, that's why I have to be blunt with my children. Because I am trying to act out two roles, and it really is not easy. And it's still not easy, even if my children are all grown up. O mas madali silang kausap, pero may mga bagay pa rin na parang nangangailangan ng second parent na discussion. But then you try to be both. So I just hope that I'm doing a good job. Yun lang yun.
Thank you, Alex. Maraming salamat. I wanted to ask lang, Julia and Sam, kasi nabanggit na ni Elise na parang tuwang-tuwa siya na ang dami niya na-absorb na nuggets of wisdom. Kayo din ba on the set with, Sharon and Janice? Meron kayong mga na-absorb na lessons, life lessons, nuggets of wisdom? Yeah?
Ako marami kasi yung life lesson hindi mo yan masasabing matututunan mo unless mapagdaanan mo or napagdaanan ng iba.
Right.
Siyempre, coming from them po na napagdaanan yung maraming bagay. When you listen, you know na eventually kung dadating ka sa posisyon na pagdaanan mo yung napag-usapan, alam mo yung pakiramdam na baka ito yung pwede kong gawin. Medyo in a way meron ka ng parang pre-game, kumbaga medyo na-brief ka na ika nga. Malaking bagay yun. Kasi growing up, or kung ikaw bilang nanay, ang hirap nun kapag lost ka, pag walang nag-mother din sa'yo. So parang yun yung tinatawag nga na i-break mo yung cycle. So ikaw, paano mo ipaprocess yun kung hindi mo alam din i-process? Pero with their, yung napagdaanan nga nila, ika nga, malaking tulong yun, malaking baon yun sa buhay para din ma-apply mo. Eventually, maa-apply mo talaga.
Sam?
Life lesson sa katabi mo, sa kaliwa mo, meron ba?
Kasi normally pag nasa set,
Hindi
na parang life lessons yung pinag-usapan namin. Yung mga normal na kwentuhan. We just share
Pero
life lessons.
Pero hindi mo alam, life lesson na pala yun. Diba? Sometimes, diba?
Hindi pa nakafocus yung mind niya doon eh.
Pero pagdating sa acting, for sure. Definitely sa acting.
Ano yung Julia?
Oh yeah, si Ate Shari, daming tulong kasi type 2 diabetes ako, so maraming tulong si Ate Shari sa diabetes ko.
Inspiration ni
Kahit
Ate
wala
Shari
si
din
Zia
sa
dito, meron naman tayong Sam. Siya yung pinakabata sa amin lahat dito.
Siya ba?
Para akong bata sa set.
Okay.
MJ, tribute lang. Alam
Okay.
niyo ba, before The Great Day and Juna left us, ito yung pinakahuling project na kinosignalan niya, everyone right here.
Especially for Julia, no?
Oo, kasi ito yung pangako niya kay Julia, tapos convincing lang si Mega, medyo kailangan convincehin Suki, the ever Suki, Janice de Belen, Elise! Sir Deo Major, the actress talaga. And of course, sa favorite ni Lola, Proky reliable din naman na actor talaga. So, everyone here, MJ, special to para sa amin sa Dreamscape at sa ABS-CBN. So, and the late Sir Deo.
May question ako. Napanood niyo ba yung Saving Grace?
Oo.
Okay, teka, isa-isa.
Alam mo na, ako hindi.
Hindi mo napanood?
Oo, hindi ba?
Sinabi mo na kanina di ba?
Yes.
Because you don't like watching yourself.
Sa first episode lang. Kasi may
okay.
premiere na kami, di ba? So,
Okay.
first episode lang.
Janice?
I don't like watching myself.
What?
It feels weird. Una, it feels weird. Second is because I'm very critical of my performance. So pag may nakikita ako, yung
Naiinis ka.
parang hindi dapat yan ang ginawa ko, parang dapat ito, wala na akong magagawa. Tapos
Andun eh.
na. Exactly. So, wag na lang natin panoorin. Parang hindi ka nag-iinis, di ba?
Ako baliktad, tapos na eh. Hindi na ako nangialam, hindi ako nanonood sa monitor pag after a take. So parang pagtapos na, gusto ko na malaman ano ba yung buong storya, paano ginampanan ng lahat, paano yung naging takbo ng
The big
serye
picture
namin.
na.
Yeah, oo.
Okay, Eric?
Pinanood ko because of the story. Pag sa eksena ko, hindi ko na rin... Hindi, kasi ang cute ko eh. Hindi ko kaya. Hindi, biro lang. gusto ko makita yung story, kaya nga, di ba, simula, sinusubaybayan namin yung script. Alam namin, tinatanong, what's next? Ano yung pinanggalingan nito? Ano yung ganyan?